Izolo isikhulu esiphezulu sezindaba ze-ISABC uphathiswa amakopeni emhlanganweni obushisa kakhulu phakathi kwezikhulu nezisebenzi zethimba lezindaba uthe angeke esaqhubeka nokukhipha izincwadi zokudiliza izisebenzi.
I'm sorry, Kubija. Yeah, I cannot continue with these letters. Yes!
Lokhu kuletha ukudideka okukhulu ezisebenzini njengoba namhlanje i-SABC isikhuluma olunye udaba olungafani nolwayizolo. Yona ithi izoqhubeka nokunika izisebenzi ezithintekayo izincwadi zokudilizwa. Akwaziwa ke ukuthi iyozala nkomoni njengoba kwalona ibhodi le-SABC uqobo lihlukene phakathi ngalolu daba. Iphini likasihlalo lebhodi le-SABC uMamuduphi Muhlala Mlawuthi uthi akavumelani nohlelo lokudilizwa kwezisebenzi. Kunamanye ke amalungu ebhodi ayisihlanu angahambisani nalolu hlelo athi lubuyisela emuva i-SABC.
The board has clearly indicated that there are some people on the board who do not agree with the Section 189 process. And we've been at great pains to actually explain that the Section 189 process is a process that will have the effect of taking the SABC backwards instead of forwards. There are many of us on the board who do not agree with the Section 189 process.
Uthi bayakuzwa ukukhala kwezisebenzi wathi njengoba i-SABC sanda kuthola ukutakulwa ngemali bayazidinga kakhulu izisebenzi ukuze bakwazi ukufinyelela kulokho abakufunayo.
We have, as I've already indicated, there have been engagements on the board whereby we have actually indicated that the Section 189 process will have a detrimental effect on the turnaround strategy that the SABC wants to implement. Because at the end of the day, if we are going to turn around the SABC that has recently received a bailout, we need the staff of the SABC in order to achieve the objectives that we want to achieve.
Ibhodi le-SABC libe nomhlangano nongqongqoshe zokuxhumana izolo ebusuku nalapho bedingide ngokuthi bazobhekana kanjani nokukhathazeka kwezisebenzi. Ungqongqoshe zokuxhumana uStella Ndabeni Abrahams unqose ukuthi kube nokuthula e-SABC njengoba umnyango wakhe ungenelela kulolu daba. Uthi umnyango wakhe awuhambisani nokudilizwa kwezisebenzi.
One of the things that the SABC competitors have undertaken, they looked at salary freezes. They had cuts, and we are saying if they can do that, why can't SABC consider those? But again, this has to be done within the prescripts of the law. That is why we're calling for a negotiated settlement. This morning, I met with the Minister of Labour and Employment, Minister Ngesi, to say, how do you work together in order to try to resolve the impasse that is between SABC board management and its staff? Because it is our responsibility once more as government to make sure that at all times we minimize the impact of people losing jobs.
Kusenjalo zingamaphesenti angamashumi ayisishiyagalolunye izisebenzi ezithole izincwadi zokudilizwa emsebenzini esiteshini se-SABC Channel Africa. Izikhundla ezini kuphela ezingazange zithinteke. Izisebenzi zicela izikhulu kanye nezinye izinhlaka kuba zingenelele kulolu daba. Ibhodi le-SABC lizovela phambi kwekomiti lezokuxhumana ePhalamende ntambama namhlanje.